So the first thing I do is preheat my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then on my stovetop here I have 150 grams of unsalted butter, and I'm going to melt this down with 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Meanwhile, in a large bowl I'm going to add half a cup of wholemeal plain flour, and to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now, using a whisk, I'm going to make sure that these two are really well combined. Now I'm just going to keep on adding my dry ingredients. I have half a cup of quick oats. I have half a cup of brown sugar. I'm going to break that sugar down. And then keep going. I'm going to add half a cup of coconut. Now you could use desiccated coconut, but today I'm using the shredded coconut. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of chopped almonds and 3/4 cup of chopped dried apricots. Now just make sure all these ingredients are mixed very well. Now to my dry ingredients, I'm going to add my wet ingredients and give it all a good stir. Okay, once it's all mixed really well, I'm going to press this firmly into a 20 by 20 square slice tin or cake tin. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, and now I'm going to bake this in my oven for 15 to 18 minutes or until it's at a nice golden brown colour that I'm happy with. Once it comes out of the oven, you need to then let it cool completely, set it in the fridge for 2 hours before you can slice and enjoy.